are doing some Dutch oven cooking today. So it's called a Dutch oven because, like your modern day oven, you heat up the inside. What's a little bit different is how we go about heating it up. So if you look at the Dutch oven, you can see it's up off the ground a little bit because it's got little legs on the bottom. And then what you do is you take hot coals from the fire and you put those underneath your oven to get heat up from the bottom. And then in order to bake with one of these, you have to have one of the brims with the little lip around it. And then you put hot coals on the top, and that little lip here will help keep things from the hot coals from rolling off the top of the Dutch oven. So generally, if you're going to be baking in one of these, you also have to preheat it like you would your modern day oven, and you can generally just do that by setting it next to the fire. That'll warm it up enough for it to be preheated. So when you're baking on one of these, you don't want to open it too often because that will let the heat out. But I am going to open it up so you can see what we're working on. And I'm going to use this little device. It's called a lid lifter, because if you've got all these hot coals on top of the Dutch oven, you don't want to put your hand down there because you might burn yourself. So you use something called a lid lifter, and you hook it underneath the handle. Then you kind of brace it back a little bit so it doesn't wobble around and dump hot coals in. So we're cheating a little bit. We're using tin foil. They wouldn't have had that back in the 1860s, but it does make cleanup a little bit easier. So we've got some chicken that we're working on baking, and we've got butter and rosemary in there for flavorings as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on. And that is what we are baking in our Dutch oven today. Alright, so it's a couple hours later, and our chicken has been baking in our Dutch oven. So you can see it's piled high with coals. There's a lot more coals on here now than there were earlier when we filmed the first part of the video. And we've been keeping the fire stoked really high with wood because then it'll burn down and it'll give you those hot coals that you can use to bake with. So I'm going to move the Dutch oven off the coals, and we're going to see how our chicken turned out. And again, I'm going to use the lid lifter to lift the lid because these coals are still hot, even though our chicken is done baking. And look at that. Some nicely done chicken. And I think the soldiers will be really happy with lunch today. Corn on the cob in the boiler. And then we've got, this is a butter and honey mixture you can put on the corn if you want. Otherwise, we've got salt and butter, or you can have your corn plain. There's baked chicken. You just kind of pick through there, find what you want. Dessert here is Queen's cake. We have tomatoes, and you can add sugar if you want, blueberries, pickles.
Get your best dress on, the band, my boys.